Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today I wanted to share with you guys something that's slightly more personal than general, but I'm pretty sure some people will be able to relate to what I'm gonna share. I have a very terrible fear, and that is the fear of failure. The fear of failure, to me, it comprises of so many different things, like fear of rejection, fear of not being accepted, and it's something that I'm struggling with. I've struggled with for like the longest time. I'm still trying to find ways to just get over that fear and overcome it, but it's not easy. It has really, it's made it very difficult for me throughout my life to step out of my comfort zone. Even with YouTube, starting my YouTube channel was a serious battle, mind battle for me, because I was so scared that people won't like my content, people won't receive what I'm giving with an open heart and an open mind. I was scared of people judging me and people just being very mean about it. I was so focused on the negatives of it, and are people gonna click the like button? Are people gonna subscribe? Are people gonna comment? Are people gonna share? Am I worth listening to? Is my opinion, does my opinion matter? All those things. But one day when I finally decided to upload my first video on this channel, I literally had to just not think about it. Literally, I just got out of, I got out of bed and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get a camera, I'm gonna do it now. I'm not gonna think about it, because another thing about the fear of failure is that you're constantly overthinking. And I am an overthinker. I tell you, I am such an overthinker. I overthink things way too much, unnecessarily. Some things are just straightforward, but I have to think about it over and over and over again. So at that moment, I chose not to think too much and to just take the bull by the horns and just go and just do it and finally do it. And I'm glad I did that. I'm glad at that point I decided to do that, because I realized that this channel it's helping me as much as I hope it's helping you people. It's a way for me to share. It's a way for me to just let my voice be heard. Something that I can't do in a normal setting, because I'm afraid of people thinking I'm dumb, or people thinking that, I don't know. It's a struggle for me. My fear of failure and rejection in some ways it's crippling, because I find myself in situations where I isolate myself and I take myself out of the limelight. I don't want people to I don't want to interact too much with people. I don't want to go out too much because I don't really have anyone to go out with. But I don't have anyone to go out with because I'm afraid of approaching people. I'm afraid of people just not liking me. I don't want to fail at anything that I do. I don't want to be rejected. And I don't think anybody wants to go through that. I wanted to share this with you guys because I don't know. I need advice. Just like I give people advice on this channel and just in life, sometimes I need advice as well. So share some tips maybe with me. Anything that if you're also someone that struggles with, you know, this fear of failure, this fear of rejection, how do you deal with it? You know, how are you working at getting over it? Share with me, because clearly I need I need someone's help. I hope you could relate to this video. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Share this with someone. If there's someone out there that is in your circle that is also going through what I am going through and is also on this journey to, you know, overcoming this fear of failure, rejection, or any fear whatsoever, share this with them. It could give them, you know, a little bit of encouragement that they're not alone and that it's okay to feel the way they feel, and it's okay to have that fear as long as you don't allow it to take over your life. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy your week, your weekend. For me, it's the weekend right now. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I hope you enjoy your week, your night, your day, whatever might apply to you. I appreciate you, I love you, and have a fantastic time on planet Earth. Until next time.